So now today we are going to start question number 7, right? Question number 7 is an insurance company insured 2000 scooter drivers, 4000 car drivers and 6000 truck drivers, right? The probability of an accident are 0.01, 0.03 and 0.15 respectively. One of the insured person meets with an accident. What is the probability that he is a scooter driver, right? So let this is a sample space of the drivers, right? So 2000 scooter drivers are there, 4000 car drivers are there, 6000 truck drivers are there. Okay, so total number of drivers is what? Total number of drivers equal to 2000 plus 4000 plus 6000. That is equal to 12,000. Now, if we want to select a driver, so what will be the probability of selecting a scooter driver? 2000. So it will be 2000 by total possibilities. So 2000 by 12,000, and clearly it will be 1 by 6. Now, what will be the probability of selecting a car driver? P into will be 4000 by 12,000. It will be 1 by 3, right? And what will be the probability of selecting a truck driver? 1 by 2. So it will be 6000 by 12,000. So it will be 1 by 2. Got it? Now it is already given in the question that probability of an accident occurred, right? Probability of an accident occurred from the scooter. See, probability of the accident occurred from the scooter is 0.01, right? Probability of accident occurred from the car drivers is 0.03. Clear? Yes. And probability of the accident occurred from the truck driver 0.15. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to find that if an accident is occurred, what is the probability that the accident is occurred from the scooter? So we have to find the probability of the scooter which got an accident. So it will be P1 by A equal to what we have to find. Now you know very well that what we have to apply.
Yes, sir.
Which theorem we are going to apply? Bayes theorem. Very good. So we have to write the formula of the Bayes theorem. We know very well that P1 by A equal to P1 into PA by E1 by P1 into PA by E1 plus PE2 into PA by E2 plus PE3 into PA by E3. So you know very well that what exactly Bayes theorem says. Same thing, the basis of the probability, favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So total number of possible outcomes is this plus this plus this, right? Now we have to put the values and we have to solve. So P1 is what? P1 is 1 by 6. And what is PA by E1? This is 0.01. So again in the denominator the same thing is there. Here we will write 1 by 6 into 0.01 plus P2 is what? 1 by 3. And what is PA by E2? 0.03. Now PE3 is what? 1 by 2. And what is PA by E2? E3 0.15. Everything is clear. Is there any doubt up to here?
No.
Ryan?
No, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to solve. Our next part is to solve. See, whenever you are solving, you have to use your presence of mind here. How you are going to solve it? So first of all, whenever you are going to solve, don't try to divide 0.01 by 6 and doing like that. No, remove the decimal.
Yes, sir.
First of all, try to remove the decimal so that it will make your calculation very easy. So what I am going to do, it will be 1 by 100, that is 1 by 600.
600.
Yes, sir.
So it will be also 1 by 600
Yes, sir.
Plus.
plus this will be 3 by 100, means 3 by 300 plus this is 15 by 100, that is 15 by 200. Now you can see that the calculation will be very easy. Yes. So now what I am going to do, thus this 600 will go in the denominator. Here I will leave only 1. So this 600 will be multiplied with all these.
Yes, sir.
So 1 by 600 plus 3 by 300 plus 15 by 200.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So you see that when you multiply with 600 with this, you will get here 1. When you multiply with 600 to this, 3 to the 6, 200, 2 times 2, 3 the 6 you are getting.
Yes, sir.
So here you are getting 1, here you are getting 6. And here 2, 3 the 6 again, 3, 15 the 45. So what in the numerator you are getting? In the numerator you are getting numerator it is 1, and in the denominator you are getting 1 plus 6 plus 45. So it is total 1 by 52. So this is your answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Ram?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Now, question number 8. See what the question number 8 is saying. In question number 8, a factory has two machines A and B. A factory is there, two kinds of machines are there, A and B. Okay? So let us draw here. This is A, this is B. This is machine. What is this?
Machine.
Machine. Machine A, machine B. Two machines are there. Means machine A is there, machine B is there. Okay. Now question is past record shows that machine A produce 60% of the items of the output. So if a factory is there, surely there is going to be some production. If two machines are there, it means surely that there will be division in the production. A will produce some amount, B will produce some amount, right? So in the question it is given that A has output 60% and B has output 40%, right? So the A gives out 60% and B gives output 40%, right? See the question. Now in the question it is telling that further 2% of the items produced by machine A and 1% produced by machine B were defective. So if there is a production, some defectives will be also there. 100% is not possible everywhere. So it is given that by machine A, the probability of defective is 2% and machine B gives 1% defective items, right? So what is the probability that it was produced by machine B? All the items are put into a stock pile and then one item is chosen and random from this it is found that it is defective. So one item is being picked from this. Suppose it is A and defective item, right? So if you write let A represents defective items. A represents defective items. E1, E1, E2, you want to write E1 is what? For selecting machine A. Selecting machine A. And E2 is selecting machine B. Okay. So now you tell me what is the probability of machine A. So you can see that it is 60%. 60% it is giving the production, right? So output is 60%. So 60% means what? This is 0.6. This is 0.6. P E2, probability of E2 is what? 40%. It means that this is 0.4, right? Now when you are going to select an item and the item is defective, so what is the probability that the defective item is from
B.
machine B? It means that you have to find P E2 by A. Got it? So first of all we have to see something is given. What is given? P A by E1. In the question you will see that it is given that P A by E1 is 2% and P A by E2 is given 1%. So see, in the question it is clearly written 2% of the item produced by machine A and 1% produced by machine B is defective, right? So see, what A indicates? A indicates the defective item. The item is defective, but it is from machine A. This is 2%.
Yes.
The item is defective, but it is from machine B and it is 1%. So 2% means what? 0.02. 1% means what? 0.02. And what we have to find?
B.
We have to find that the defective item that you are getting, that is from machine B. It means we have to find P E2 by A. So what we are going to apply? Bayes theorem. So let us use the Bayes theorem. So by Bayes theorem, P E2 by A is what? What we will write? P E2 into P A by E2 by P E1 into P A by E1 plus P E2 into P A by E2. Clear? Now put the value. What is the value of P E2?
0.4.
0.4. What is the value of P A by E2?
0.01.
0.01. Okay, you can see here also. So you have to write 0.4 into 0.1 plus. What is the probability of E2?
No, sir.
What?
P1 का value is
0.6, sir.
6.
0.6.
6. Here you have to write 0.6.
Yes, sir.
And what is the probability of A by E1?
0.02.
0.02. Right, nice. Now, what is the probability of PE2? It is
0.4 into
and it is 0.1.
0.1.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
0.6 into 0.02.
0.2.
Yes. Here it is 0.02. 0.02 and here it will be 0.01 and here also
0.0.
Okay, nice. Now what we have to do? We have to remove that decimal. So this is 4 by
10.
and it is 1 by 100. So completely it is 4 by 1000.
Yes.
Right? It is also 6 to the 12, 12 by 1000 and 4 1 the 4, 4 by 1000. So what we are going to get? 4 by 1000 by 12 plus 4 by 1000. So 1000 cancel. What we are getting? 4 by 16
1 by
and it is 1 by 4.
Yes.
Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Shubham? Done?